Can you hear me?
Yes.
My friends, family, yes, about a week ago, we received word about Hina. And so we are here now to be with the rest of you, to say goodbye. In saying goodbye, there is nothing like thinking about the years we were together. The treasured years of growing up and then maybe building a family in our own respective ways. And so many of you who are here are evidence of the love that came her way and also of us. Her passing away was quite surprising because she had been looking forward to getting treatment in the hospital that might enable her to live a better and productive life with her husband, Francis. But I guess we cannot fathom God's will. And we can only say, Lord, thy will be done. In the days that we have been here, there has been an opportunity to say hello again to so many who were so vital to her life here in the United States. And I guess for us, we were quite far away and only on the occasions that we might be here to visit could we resume the life and the life and remember the years that we grew up together. I know that there are so many things that you would like to be able to hear from me. I wish I could remember more as I have gotten old and my memory is beginning to go. But one thing I remember is Inday and the love that all of us have for her. And we have been blessed to have known her in the years that we were together, and even during the years we were not here with you and with her. So I will not take much more than to read a little text that she sent to me on the eve of her operation. I had texted her, offering to see if there is anything we could do to help, knowing that medical care can be very expensive here. But she told me that everything was taken care of. They had medical care, so it was not a financial problem. But in reply to my text to her, she wrote, and this was the last message I got from her on the eve of her going for her operation. She said, thank you for thinking of me. I really don't need anything. Kaiser covers it all, and I won't need anything for the operation. It is minimal. scary cat. And just thinking that it is an 8-hour operation worries me so. So, just say a prayer for me. Love you and I last and make prayer and plead for me. We'll let you know when everything is over. We never got to hear from her because she's now in the place much farther from here, but maybe not so far away from the love